Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network, next big thing in finance. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into what's happening with Flare at the moment. What is the community saying? What is happening with the official Flare handle? So let's start with the official Flare handle. Anything new over here? Okay, unlocking potential. F assets bringing $2 trillion in smart contract tokens to DeFi. How will this reshape the blockchain landscape? Awesome. Agree with Vitalik that finance alone isn't enough for blockchain's potential, but have we done enough to actually decentralize finance? Awesome. We had already discussed this, the flare factor that was anticipated, guys, by Scepter. It is here, 45 minutes long. You guys can check it out. The flare factor, episode 1. So this is new. Meet Hugo Fillion joins Blockchain Live 2024 in Dubai. Meet Hugo Fillion, the co-founder of Flare Network, CEO of Flare Labs, and 10,000 plus attendees on October 22nd to 23rd. The AI-powered translation of speeches to 70 languages is including in the ticket. Awesome. We are launching a brand new feature to showcase FLR reward opportunities in DeFi. Guys, I saw interesting posts by the community as well. Let's look into them. Look at this. For the people who still believed in Flare, no matter the FUD and delays, I've got nothing but respect for you. Flare Network is going to become the biggest AI and data project in existence. FLR will be the hottest project this bull run. Flare will shock everyone in this bull run. TVL keeps rising on the Flare network as this is just the beginning of its mass adoption. A $1 per Flare is just the start when we have F assets in place too. Let's see, guys. Although it has got it has got a tremendous opportunity, guys, indeed, and legit use case, one of the most unique use cases, guys, in all of finance, if not in all of crypto, guys. Not only in crypto, but all of finance. Look at this. Flare Network might just be the biggest opportunity of this bull run with its EVM compatibility, unique F asset system, and built in decentralized Oracle services. Flare is set to redefine interoperability in a multi chain future. Imagine this AI integration, low transaction costs, and massive potential growth, all positioning Flare to lead the charge in 2025. We're talking major potential if everything aligns. This could be the sleeper hit of the next cycle. Don't sleep on Flare. The revolution will be televised. So look at this, guys. This post is from Jungle Inc. Deton for Senate. Okay. So let's see. This is an article over here by him. Flare Network, the next big thing in blockchain and AI. Flare Network stands out as an exceptionally promising blockchain project with the potential to excel in the next bull run. Known for its cutting edge technological infrastructure, Flare introduces unique features and solutions that distinguish it from other projects in the blockchain ecosystem. This report explores the various factors that make Flare an exciting and high potential blockchain, focusing on its strength in interoperability, DeFi, AI initiatives, and earning opportunities, guys. Passive income as well. I had bookmarked this as well. I wanted to hear it. Let's see what he has to say.
of this bull run. We're going to go over this comprehensive report. Currently listed on junglelinkxrp.com, link down below if you want to read it in its entirety. We're going to cover the specific areas that are going to drive value for the FLR token, why I think it will perform so well. We're going to do some price predictions, some price modeling. In previous videos, I've done AI analysis and projections on what the FLR token can do. This time around, I've simplified it. I've said, all right, what have similar tokens done in previous bull runs? And if FLR has similar success, what might that look like? Because the number one question I get all the time is, how high can this thing go? What is the actual potential, a realistic outlook for this coin? Truth be told, no one knows for sure, but I think looking at prior runs, similar coins with similar rankings, if you think FLR is going to do well, if you think it can do as well as those previous blockchains, it gives you kind of an idea of what is possible. Just another way to kind of look at things. Again, you don't know until you see it unfold, and that's exactly what we will do here. Now, I've been sitting here watching that FLR token price, trying to re-up again at right around a cent or under a cent. We're at 1.8 cents right now. I pulled the trigger on this one, specifically because I think its potential in AI is so large. And you know what? If you pull the trigger a little early on this blockchain, you get delegation rewards, you get future airdrops. It helps kind of muffle some of those early moves. If you get in a little bit too early and you just don't know what the future holds, might not get another chance at 1 cent or sub 1 cent FLR. If we do, I'll be taking advantage of it, but I thought 1.8 cents, pretty good opportunity I added to the bag. So as we go through this, I think first and foremost, this is an interoperability play. And this is going to continue to be important as we move into this multi-chain future. You're trying to connect all these various chains, that some of them are great at payments, others are really good at DeFi, smart contracts. You want to pull Bitcoin on network, whatever it may be. We know the future is multi-chain, and interoperability is an important feature. It's one that drives Cosmos Atom. It's one that drives Polkadot, this idea of interoperability. And so FLR has a lot of really good advantages compared to its contemporaries. First and foremost, it's EVM compatible. So as you're building out your applications for Ethereum and all these other EVM blockchains, it's very easy to port over and make compatible with FLR network because at its base architecture, it's EVM. The F-asset system, FLR's unique F-asset system enables tokenization of non-smart contract assets, things like XRP, Bitcoin, LTC, these kind of just general currency coins. You're able to bring them on network. You know how that works. You can use them in DeFi systems, earn some yield from them, borrow from them, all sorts of interesting things. We'll see this bull run, how ready that system is, how used it is, but it will launch, I believe, in time for this bull run, and just the launch of F-assets should build a lot of demand, a lot of excitement, and that's great. I think also novel is its built-in Oracle services, so you don't have to use Chainlink or one of these other Oracle systems. It's built in right there. FLR's decentralized Oracle system, FTSO, provides reliable, decentralized data feeds to smart contracts. So, we're getting data that we can rely on. Number two, it's got a lot of advantages within DeFi. Low transaction costs. We know that drives usage on Ethereum competitors. And we saw that last time around with Binance Chain. People were trying to yield farm. It was getting wild on the Ethereum network. Those gas fees really went up in a high way. People were looking for other opportunities. Binance seized that opportunity and got a lot of transaction on that blockchain. And you've seen what the price of the BNB token has done because of that. Scalable, very high throughput, low latency chain here. FLR can support growing demand for DeFi applications, ensuring a smooth user experience. So very scalable network as well. A lot of incentive for network participation, very important. You have to align the incentives for the builders, for the investors, and FLR has that. It should drive adoption of this blockchain. And then kind of back to the first category we talked about, it's really good for interoperability. So you're going to be driving that use case of bringing on some of these currency tokens that don't have smart contracts, connecting to all sorts of different blockchains. It should, really pull a lot of that value on network and drive demand for the FLR token. I've talked about this in a previous video. I'll link it down below if you want to go in depth. But during bull runs, when people probably should be selling assets. They never want to. What do they want to do? They want to earn from those assets. They think, well, prices will stay elevated forever and I will just retire. And we saw this with all sorts of, Ponzi nodes and Celsius and all of these, various services that were very attractive last bull run. Well, the thing here is, this has a foundation. This has substance. You can earn long term. It's not like a Ponzi type of setup like some of these other things, but still that will drive demand as people have the ability to earn through delegation rewards. There's going to be additional airdrops. So now your return is really silly because you are getting your rewards and your airdrops, and you combine that, and that is massive. Now, in theory, those extra airdrops are coins that are spilling onto the marketplace, but again, during bull run, people want to hodl, they want to earn, and I suspect more people will be holding on to those coins, delegating them to earn more rewards, and you'll hear a lot of this stuff. I've retired, I'll never have to work again, I'm just living off my FLR rewards. Now, not the way I'm going to approach this. That price gets up there in a silly region, you best believe I'm going to be selling, but I feel a lot of people will not. And then beyond just your ability to earn from delegating and from your airdrops, of course, you're going to have fully functional DeFi systems, and people will be using the FLR token in those as well.
So guys, as you can see, FLR is doing a lot of stuff, guys, in blockchain and finance, F assets, their DeFi system, their passive income opportunity. They're doing a lot, guys. The FLR time series Oracle. So in terms of data, AI, a lot of stuff, guys. In my opinion, FLR indeed is creating a huge infrastructure, a huge ecosystem that can stand the test of time. Anyways, guys, this is my take, not financial advice. But what do you guys think about FLR network? Do you think that it indeed is the next big thing in finance? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.